How to use this workbook. This workbook is a tool for spiritual growth and personal healing through discovering and living from your identity in Christ. It is not a program of steps to complete, but a relational journey to engage with. Some guidelines for use. Go slowly. Let the Spirit lead. Do not rush through. Truth takes time to take root. Pray first. Ask God to open your heart before listening or reflecting. Be honest. God already knows your struggles. Be real with Him. Write and reflect. Journaling can help you process and listen more deeply. Use the reflection questions. These are designed to help you personalize what you hear as you listen. Revisit often. Repetition deepens transformation. Invite support. You may benefit from a counselor, mentor, or small group as you walk through this. Above all, remember, this is not about you achieving something for God. It's about you receiving and living from the life of God already within you. If the Son therefore shall make you free, ye shall be free indeed. John chapter 8, verse 36.